The birthday list begins with Emerson Ratcliffe, who's celebrating her 8th birthday, backpacking until ready to go conquer that school day. Happy birthday, Miss Emerson in Fort Scott.
All right, Cody Mitchell turning 9 years old this year. Number 37 there, I see, in Webb City. Happy birthday, Cody.
Emma Claire Eiler, she is now 9. Emma Claire is celebrating in Iola.
All right, Marone Schupbach celebrating birthday number 11. Great picture there in Farlington.
She's getting tall. My goodness, she's getting tall. Olivia Wheatley, she is celebrating her 12th birthday with a beautiful bouquet. Happy birthday, Miss Olivia. And I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from your mother.
All right. And Quincy Coots turning 13 years old this year. Happy birthday to Quincy in Cherokee.
Joseph Joyce has a 14th birthday. Sharp dressed dude right there. And Joseph is celebrating in Fort Scott.
Got some belated birthday wishes going out to McKinley Morrison, who's now sweet 16 in Frontenac.
Little Raider Pride. Brett Cobb, happy 25th. Oh, what a marvelous family photo we have right there. Happy birthday to Brett in Pittsburgh.
They got their hands full, that's for sure. All right, in Frontenac, turning 28, it's time to celebrate for Bailey Cares. Happy birthday, Bailey.
Jennifer O'Banion, she celebrated her birthday yesterday. You can tell that's a fun-loving couple right there. Jennifer, while she's turning 35, these birthday wishes come with love from the entire family. And hopefully, Jennifer, you get to spend more fun times out at the beach.
I know, that's my favorite part of the pictures. The water in the background.
That was great.
All right, and let's see, we got Penny Nickel, or Penny Boosie, celebrating birthday number 51 this year. Penny is in Parsons.
And surrounded. that's carload. See the one in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's got help out there. Connie Wilson celebrating her 53rd birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Connie.
All right, and Tub Moore turning 79 years old this year in Crestline. Happy
and
birthday,
one of
Tub.
the good friends of the station, Sonia Ritchie, celebrating the birthday as well. Sonia, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday. Well, what? Wait a second. Wait just a second.
Are we missing a picture?
Go ahead and flip the screen, and I'm going to get on the phone.
Riley Bebb. Michael's upset.
I got this. Riley, you know I love you, kiddo. Cannot believe that you're a sophomore already. Everybody out at LabCo, I want you wishing Riley a happy 16th. And hey, Riley, you go ahead and tell mom and dad that as soon as the commercial break hits, Michael will be on the phone, and we may just throw your picture up tomorrow, kiddo. And I love you. Have a great one.
All right, Cindy Dunnick in Columbus.
Hey!
Birthday wishes going out to you.
Speaking of long time no see.
Yeah,
happy birthday, Cindy.
Eileen Knoll is turning the big 9-0 this year. I love the spelling of that name, Eileen. In Lamar.
We've got Dawson King with a milestone birthday, turning 20 years old. Dawson, a very happy birthday to you in Iola. Joanne Biancarelli, celebrating in Cherokee. Happy birthday to Joanne. Rick Olds, he is celebrating his 60th birthday. Congratulations to Rick in Miami. And Kate Dent, you deserve a screen all to yourself, ma'am. A very happy birthday to Kate in July. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this March the 3rd. Oh, look at this. Text messages coming in. How about that?
The picture?
No.
All right, well, you're taking
Right, that's
care
where
of
you can
those.
send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up here